Hello again mga kapwa kong api, average Pinoy investor. Ngayon, we'll do a portfolio update for August 1st, 2026. I'm recording this on August 2nd. Well, I already have updated yung portfolio ko today. And before we start, eto na siya. Nagbabalik si Binance. Good thing bumalik na si Binance sa Pilipinas, accessible na siya because I'm planning to trade soon. Just soon, hindi pa ngayon, but soon. Soon, we'll be using Binance na instead of Coins.ph. Good thing I have retracted or inubos ko na halos lahat ng investments ko sa Binance. Sa Coins.ph pala. So, we'll be transferring to Binance soon. I'm still checking kung okay na rin yung app kasi majority of the time sa app lang talaga ako nag-access eh. But this time, sa website, may website na uli si Binance sa Pilipinas, which is very good. As for our portfolio naman, our debts is down to 217k na lang. Savings-wise, walang change dyan. For our total investment portfolio, I am down to 35,600 ang total investments, and then my current portfolio is 35,690 pesos, which is up by 2.25%. So that's, slightly good. The only thing that's down is yung stocks ko at saka yung Nasdaq. With that said, my overall allocation has increased to 43% for REITs. I also have sold all of my BPI stocks. I want to rebalance yung portfolio ko sa BPI, and I've seen the news kasi, this specific news about BPI. They're adopting stable coins, which is, it's good. Pero kasi, my average for BPI the last time was 97 or 98 pesos. So I sold it at 104. I took a little bit of profit and then nirebalance ko siya sa A-REIT and RCR. I'm focusing more on those. And then I've seen nang ko-collect, I believe, si video ulit ng for bonds, if I'm not mistaken. Pero sige, let's focus first on BPI. As you can see the chart of BPI, it's starting to go down again by July 31st. I think etong adoption nila with stable coin is good. Pero I think may mga skeptics. I think they'll be down again to the 90 peso range. So, I'll wait for that. If it doesn't come, hindi ako magre-re-entry. If it goes below 90, that's very good. Good re-entry point yan. Sa Pilipinas kasi marami pa tayong skeptics pagdating sa crypto. So, I would say na posibleng bumaba siya. It's a high possibility. Magre-rearrange yan. Magre-rebalance yan. Preemptively, when I saw this news, nagbenta na ako. With that said, again, I'm waiting for it to go down. Then, I'll do a re-entry sa BPI. As for A-REIT has been up. Thankfully, nakabili ako nung nasa 37 point something pa rin siya. Nasa 37.20. During my rebalance of BPI. Good thing na panalo na tayo doon agad. But my portfolio for A-REIT is still down 7.19%. Sige lang. Ang habol ko naman dito is more of dividends and then repurchase. Papatasin ko yung shares ko with Ayala. That's the target. At least 1,000 shares would do for A-REIT. For Robinson naman, again, nagko-consolidate pa rin siya on the 7 peso range, 7 to 7.5 range. It will stay that way most likely while may mga issues pa pagdating sa Philippine economy. But as soon as I believe mag-boom uli ang bansa, tataas pa to. Besides, maraming I believe nagtayo sila ng mga panibagong malls and RLC boosting REIT after 10.6 billion asset infusion. Robinson Land, may asset swap sila. 6 additional malls. So, good. We're good with Robinson. As a matter of fact, nagdagdag ako nito. 25 shares if I'm not mistaken. But I will make sure to increase pa to. I'm hoping it goes down to that 5 to 6 peso level para mas makabili pa tayo. But for now, this is good. For Jollibee naman, Jollibee has been consolidating again for weeks now. Started July. Nasa 140 peso level siya. Well, it's quite up from the 119 to 130, 120 level way back May. And now, well, August na. So, pagpatak ng bear months, tataas na naman to. Well, it's based on history. And then, bababa siya bandang February. Yan, history yan. November, well, last time, pagpatak ng November, papuntang Christmas, tumaas siya. Tumaas siya after New Year. So, we're waiting. Nag-consolidate pa siya dyan. But sooner or later, if this goes up, we'll sell it. And then, let's find a good re-entry point ulit for JFC. And what about BDO again? BDO has been consolidating then to that 115 to 130 range. But I've put a sell order na for BDO. Waiting for the 130 peso level, 132. I'm thinking of waiting kasi naka-good till canceled ang sell order ko sa kanya. If it goes up, kasi gumaganda yung ekonomiya ng Pilipinas daw, sabi. Middle income na daw tayo. Daw. I truly do not believe that. So, we'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait for BDO to jump back up. Itong consolidation phase na to, it's quite shaky but I think meron tayong uptrend dito. May pa-uptrend tayo dyan. Sige. We'll check and see kung malalagpasan niya tong 132 level na resistance niya. Kasi mukhang dun na siya papunta eh. In a matter of so probably months pa, October. Sige. Let's wait for that to happen. Kasi January. Siya ng January. Ito siya ng January. We're up from the January low na 180. Good. And last but not the least, si Maynilad. Bumagsak si Maynilad. Maynilad entered into the PSE. Yan siya. Resulta lang to ng pagre-rebalance nila. Kasi natanggal si Converge. Umangat si Converge. Napunta sa PSE si Maynilad. Sa index. But it went down. Again, this is a good opportunity for us to buy Maynilad shares. It's very good kasi it's back to its 18.8 peso range. But I'm thinking babawi ito most likely bukas sa Lunes. But I don't see it going back to its 120 to 20 peso level soon. Probably bumaba pa nga yan ng 17 or 16 in the next coming months. Kasi it's again rebalancing. Which is good for us. Again, that's very good for us kasi nakabili pa tayo ng Maynilad shares. Which is why it's good. Now, let's check yung heat map naman ng Philippine Stock Exchange. As you can see, bagsak na bagsak si Meralco after ng SONA. Well, let's talk about Meralco. I've seen si Manny B. Pangilinan stating na who's going to pay daw for for the system loss. Well, to be honest, system loss is composed of like maraming reasons eh. One is loss of thermodynamics, yun hindi talaga natin maiwasan. The other factors, yung technical losses from transferring yun ngang power from generators to your homes, to our homes. Pero ang awkward lang kasi na para bang kasalanan pa namin kung bakit meron kayong system loss. Akala nyo kasi, I mean, honestly, monopolize nila ang power supply sa Metro Manila. And technically, hindi naman din silang may pakananon. It's because of a PIRA law, which is privatizing yung power. When way back we have a energy crisis sa panahon ni Ramos, if I'm not mistaken. Pero, sobra na eh. Sumusobra na din to. So, if I were to propose, I would say tanggalin si PIRA law, ibalik si Meralco sa gobyerno para masubsidize nila yan, or ibaba ang threshold ng ARCOA. Retail competition and open access, open it to people na household. Pag binuksan nyo yan sa household, babagsak to lalong Meralco, which is why I don't invest in Meralco because of that. One, because of public sentiment. Alam nating lahat ng pangit ng reputasyon ng Meralco ngayon. Pero with their competitors, sa mga competitors kasi nila, hindi ganun kasikat. Plus, ang DOE and DRC is hindi pa binababa ang threshold ng ARCOA to go into sa mga households. They're still 50 kilowatts, if not 50. Sorry, it's 100 kilowatts pala. 100 kilowatts ang threshold ng retail competition open access sa Pilipinas. That's around 7 like industrial aircons, if I'm not mistaken, simultaneously. Sa demand kasi yan, hindi sa consumption. So, essentially, ganun ang magandang gawin. Ibaba nyo yung ARCOA to a household level para magkaroon ng competition tong Meralcong to. Nakakairita. So, let's disregard that for now. Let's talk about, well, we're done talking about Maynilad. Let's talk about crypto naman. For the crypto market, we are down 0.8%, almost 1%, pero Bitcoin is back to $63,000. Ethereum is back to $1,800. XRP is back to $1.08, even though 1.09 siya last time. Solana is back to 73, and Solana is down, or it's on a red. It's closed red. Monthly candles have reached to 10 consecutive months, meaning to say there is a big possibility na this August it would go up. So I'm thinking of buying Solana soon, just soon. It's good if it goes down again kasi nga may girean pa talaga sa overseas market, but this is very rare even if nasa bear market tayo. Now, and so Bitcoin again nag-consolidate pa rin siya from 62 to 63, but soon I think it will go down. Why? Because as of earlier today, strategy approves the plan to sell $5 billion worth in BTC. So eto na naman tayo. I'm really seeing around $20 Bitcoin, $20,000 Bitcoin to $30,000 Bitcoin, which is why hindi pa ako nagre-reinvest sa Bitcoin after kong mag-cash out nung nag-surge siya way back Was it Feb or April na yata yun? But yeah, I'm seeing another crash. They really have, well, ito kasi sabi kasi nito ni sino nga ba to? Si strategy, si Michael Saylor, na hindi daw sila magbibenta ng Bitcoin, but then change nila yon. They stated na they won't be net sellers ng BTC. Still, wala pa rin naman tayong clarity, and then magkakaroon na ng recess sa US. So, possibly, yan, wala na yan. Malabo na yung Clarity Act na yan ngayong taon. Most likely sa susunod na yan. Kita-kits na lang sa 2030. Sabi nga. But here, as you can see, Philippine Stock Exchange Index, nadagdag si Maynilad, bumagsak si Maynilad, Converge went up after being removed from the PSEI. But again, PSEI, kaya again bumaba si Maynilad is because of index rebalancing. But again, that's fine. This is an opportunity for us to buy. Don't panic. Ika nga, wag tayo magpapanik kapag bumabagsak ang isang stocks, lalo na kapag pinag-aralan natin to. Again, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before buying, keeping, or selling any of your stocks or crypto. Okay? Huwag kayo maniniwala sa guy on the internet like me para bumili, mag-hold, o magbenta ng kahit anong asset. Kasi this is only for educational purposes. Here's another thing. So the USA is locked and loaded and ready to go against the Islamic Republic of Iran at levels of military terror strength and power not seen since World War II. Despite this, we have been asked by Iran and other Middle Eastern countries to hold off any attacks. So there's a hold off after a deal request. Ito na naman tayo sa mga ceasefire. Ewan ko sa inyo. And then magpa-fire na naman ng mga rocket tong Iran. Bakit ba kasi hindi bakbakin pa to? Tapusin nyo na yung gera para okay na lahat. Pasabugin nyo kung sinong kailangan yung pasabugin dyan. Huwag nyo lang idama yung civilian. Diyos ko. Puro kayo ganyan. Wala namang nangyayari. So, again, going back, we're experiencing an uptrend sa mga assets natin ngayon, which is good, especially sa crypto. But overall, talo pa rin tayo sa mga trades natin eh. And at this point in time, I am settling my debts. So, tigil muna tayo sa mga malakihang investments. Sakto na yung maliit lang, pero tuloy-tuloy. If we need to rebalance, sell assets, mag-sell lang. Kasi nagbebenta or ginagamit naman natin to para sa pamilya. Wala naman tayong problema doon. Go lang ng go. So let's talk about this.
Let's punch the ball into the end zone and pass the clarity.
Ako. Kung sa Pilipinas gumagamit na si BPI ng stablecoin, sa kanila nag-aaway-away pa rin sila sa Clarity Act. Wala na to sa susunod.
It's a vote to drive American innovation, American jobs, and American oversight of this jurisdiction to Singapore or
Russia nga eh. Si Russia nagpatupad na ng sarili lang laws about crypto. I believe Japan din and Korea nagpatupad na ng laws, while pinupolitika parang Pilipinas din tong US eh. Pilipinas kasi puro politika lang dito, wala tayong mapapala dito sa mga to. Ay. And ito pa. I won't dig deeper dito.
The Clarity Act, kasi which aims to set
talagang pinipigilan ng mga bangko sa US yung Clarity Act kasi nga dalawa, more of sa ethics provision nung pamilyang Trump, and then natatakot yung bangko na baka maunusan sila dahil dun sa mga stable coins rewards, taking rewards, whatever. But I think that's good. So that's it for my portfolio update and some news kung ano nangyayari sa Philippine Stock Exchange, global news, pagdating sa global market, sa crypto. And yes, we're gonna go log in to our Binance soon, and then we'll try trading, spot, margin trading. Pero ang gusto ko is, gusto ko i-try futures. Hopefully, magpo-post tayo ng video on me doing futures market. Soon, just soon. It's a good thing bumalik na si Binance sa Pilipinas. Sana hindi na nila i-ban ulit ang Binance sa Pilipinas. Kasi grabe talaga yung spreads sa local exchanges eh. So, hoping tuloy-tuloy na to. Now, if you have questions, if you want to support me, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe na rin po. This helps a lot with both the video, the channel, and my motivation as well. Creating these videos is not that easy, lalo na kasi busy talaga tayo sa buhay-buhay. But I'll try my best to create more videos. So please help a small creator out and like and subscribe po. Thank you again. This is your average Pinoy investor. Ciao, ciao.